Hey, Ash here from Quoter, and today I want to walk you through our new Benji Pays integration. So just to get started, where you'll want to configure this is under Settings, Payment Gateways, and Benji Pays. If you add a brand new one, the screen will look like this, and you just choose Benji Pays from the dropdown. Now, very easy to configure. We support the sandbox or your production accounts, and you can grab your API access ID and API access key right from Benji by clicking Configure under the Scalepad quoter icon from Settings and Integrations. All you do is drop those two values in there, decide which currencies you want to turn on. Now, we are just looking at currencies here that are created in Quoter, so make sure that Benji Pays is set up with payment gateways that are supporting these currencies as well. Otherwise, you'll be offering payment options to your partners that won't actually push through to Benji Pays. So just make sure you make the right selections there. We also offer this to any of your resellers. If you're on our enterprise plan and leverage our multi-tenant functionality within Quoter, then you can allow your resellers to pay using Benji Pays. Now, quickly going back to the quote here, I just published this top quote. It's in Canadian dollars, so it will be able to be processed by Benji Pays. Benji Pays does obviously allow for US dollar transactions as well. They offer a number of different payment gateways you can choose from or migrate existing payment gateway to their solution. And if you have any questions on what they offer, feel free to reach out to them or our staff, and we can speak to the advantages of the combined solution of Quoter plus Benji Pays. So I'm just going to jump into this quote now and go to the web view, which is where your end customer will review your proposal or quote, review all of the content you have there, and then decide if they're ready to accept the quote. And as you can see, we've got the payment method here for Benji Pays. With this configuration, they must agree to the acceptance terms and type in their name for electronic signature. So this is our production account. I do not have a credit card where I want to incur a $36,000 charge. So I'm going to stop the flow at this point. But once you do complete payment, it redirects you back to the thank you page in Quoter to close the loop. We get all of the information about the transaction, the surcharge. We update the quote and the quote status. And we also will update all of your integrations as well in the same way that we do with the other payment gateways that we integrate with. Hope this gives you a good overview of the Benji Pays integration. And we hope this is valuable and streamlines your quote to cash process.